it's just breaking now. There's some new news coming forward regarding Jerome Powell and some of his plans over at the Federal Reserve. Can you give us an update?
Yeah, Jack, you're exactly right. I mean, Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve were anxious to cut rates in the fall before the last election when the inflation rate was actually higher than it is today. So the idea that they won't cut rates now because they're concerned about inflation is a bogus argument. They were willing to cut rates to try to help Joe Biden get reelected. Of course, that didn't work out so well. Now, by the two measures that the Fed uses, the employment rate and the inflation rate, both of which were significantly lower the last time they cut cut interest rates, would indicate that we need a rate cut. In the meantime, however, Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Fed, testified to Congress about the $2.4 billion renovation of the palatial headquarters of the Federal Reserve in Washington, D.C. He specifically said to Congress that this renovation does not include private elevators to be used by the governors of the Federal Reserve, did not include a private dining room to be used by the governors, did not provide for a roof garden with a panoramic view of Washington, D.C. Yet we now learned that the plan that they have approved, the $2.4 billion plan they approved, includes all of those things, which means that Jerome Powell lied under oath to Congress, and he lied about something material that involves the taxpayers. I was accused of lying to Congress, but I had no motive to lie, no